In this beautifully crafted Japanese-style tiny home, space efficiency meets elegant functionality through the innovative use of multifunctional cabinets that do more than just store essentials. They serve as the structural support for an elongated loftbed above. This clever integration maximizes vertical and horizontal space without compromising the minimalist aesthetic. The cabinet arrangement flows along one full side of the tiny home, acting as a seamless blend of storage, seating, and support. Some sections of the cabinet function as hidden drawers, others as open shelves for displaying decor, and select portions include built-in desk space for casual work or dining. What sets this interior apart is the way window openings are thoughtfully designed to follow the shape and rhythm of the cabinet layout. The natural light flows gently into the space, with some windows carved directly into the line of the cabinetry, enhancing the geometric and organic feel of the design. The result is a space that feels open, warm, and harmoniously integrated with nature, truly in line with the Japanese architectural philosophy of simplicity, light, and connection. Every element in this tiny home is a testament to multifunctional living, where form supports function and where furniture becomes architecture.